Hi, my name's Rose and I run a landscaping business in Auckland, New Zealand, and I am a prepper Kiwi.
Hi, my name's Carolyn. I run a landscaping business here on Waiheke Island, New Zealand, and I'm a prepper Kiwi.
We've created this channel to help fellow New Zealanders become prepper Kiwis, and in this video we're going to explain what it means to be a prepper Kiwi and what's in it for you.
So what's a prepper Kiwi? A prepper Kiwi is a New Zealander who is moving towards being prepared or being prepared to survive in some sort of situation, some sort of cultural emergency, whether that's something natural like an earthquake or something man-made like an economic crash or a terrorist attack. So a prepper Kiwi might be interested in things like homesteading, living off the grid, or learning some of the older skills that would be useful if we need to go without modern technology or modern equipment. So that brings us to the next point. What's in it for you? What can we contribute? What can we do, Rose?
So between the two of us we have quite a few prepping skills. We can talk to you about beekeeping, hunting, fishing. We can talk to you about growing your own food, bushcraft and self-defense.
Yeah, and we don't know everything there is to know about prepping. We're learning all the time, but we are happy to share all the knowledge that we've got at the moment and all the skills we've got with anyone that's interested, and we'd love to have you come on the journey with us.
It doesn't matter what type of environment that you live in or what your skills are. It doesn't matter if you live in the city or in the back of your car. It doesn't matter if you've never grown food before. What matters is that you're willing to learn and come on this journey with us.
See you in the next video.
Next time.